Hey guys, Om here. I thought I'd share that I got Celeste Classic running on Pocketbyte. So if you don't know, Celeste is a Pico 8 game, and if you don't know what the Pico 8 is, basically it's a virtual fantasy console. People can make all sorts of games and then share them with others. And Celeste in particular is one of the most popular ones. It's known for being an extremely difficult platformer, and actually was so well received that the developers who originally made this game for the Pico 8 decided to turn it into like a fully fledged video game that you can play on Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, PC around 2018, I think. This is basically the classic version of the game, and so this is it running on Pocketbyte. Basically, a few years ago, somebody ported this game to C. So it was originally written in Lua, but they ported it over to C by rewriting it. So this basically is just a little thing I built today, where I just took that port and I basically just had it render everything on Pocketbyte and respond like the gamepad module. And so yeah, this is it. The main difference between this and the official version is that instead of rendering the display at the original 128 by 128 pixels, this is upscaling it using nearest neighbor, and it upscales it to 320 by 240p, which is the native resolution of this screen that you see here. Future me here, I just forgot to mention how exactly we got here in the first place. So the way it works is as soon as you turn on the console, you have this menu here, and what I can do is I can select this Celeste application and I can just load it, and it'll boot right into Celeste, just like that, off of the SD card. And yeah, you can see it just works normally. I can just click this to go back to the menu. This is technically the full version of the game. It's not super long. You can also play the entire thing online. But anyway, I thought I'd just share this because this is one of my favorite games personally, and I think it's pretty cool it's running on Pocketbyte. And also, I think this is like the first game that's running on Pocketbyte that isn't like an emulated game, like a retro Go that I've shared previously. Another thing I also like to add is, right now on the Pocketbyte library, there are two main graphics backends. So there's LVGL, which is used for things like UI and interactive applications. And then there's PAX, which is used for extremely fast frame buffer graphics, which is being used in this program right now. So if you want to develop games for Pocketbyte, I think this is a pretty good example of a situation where you might want to use PAX and how your game might look. Obviously be uploading this to GitHub pretty soon, so definitely check out the code if you want to see how you can make your own Pocketbyte applications. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you sometime soon.